you're watching Cait Straight Up, and it is 2019! Happy New Year! And for all of my viewers out there that my loud voice is hurting because you're hungover, I have the perfect solution for you. Today we are going to make some ginger tea or ginger water. You could drink it hot or cold. It's perfect for if you're experiencing some nauseousness or if you're hungover, like most of us are on New Year's Day. It also helps with pain. It's good for detoxing. It can help you lose weight. It basically is just a super water, and it has two ingredients, ginger and water. Very easy. Let's get started. We'll make this one an easy one. So for those of you who don't know what ginger root is, it comes like this. It's a little funny looking, a little scary, but after you peel it and slice it, you get this awesome ginger that offers so many health benefits, like I was saying. Once you peel it and slice it, you're going to smell. Ginger is pretty potent, so you don't need that much of it for your ginger tea or ginger water. So I say about 1/4 cup of sliced ginger. You're just going to add it to something that you could steep some tea in. So you're going to want to make sure your container can handle some boiling water, and pretty much we're getting to where this is almost done. After we have our ginger in our container, I like to add just a little bit of lemon. Perfect. Lemon is optional if you just want to keep it ginger. And then we take our boiling water and pour it over our ginger and our lemon. So if you want to give that a nice little stir, you don't really have to do much. You just want to steep the water in that ginger and the lemon. Now, you could drink this hot like a tea, or you can allow it to cool. So if you're going to let it cool, just let it steep on your counter for about 5-10 minutes and then add it to your fridge. And it's a great thing to do the night before if you're going to be doing some heavy drinking. But if you want to drink it hot, obviously it'll be ready in just a few short minutes after you get it all steeped up. And I told you it was going to be a quick one today. Could it be any easier? You have some delicious ginger water. You could add something like honey or experiment with other flavors. Like I said, it's perfect for detoxing if you're nauseous or hungover. It's also good for when you're trying to lose weight. It's just a really nutritious water, and it tastes good too. I hope everyone has a great New Year's Day, and be ready for some awesome new recipes coming to you in 2019. See you next time. Bye-bye.